Hello everyone, welcome to LMS. Today we are going to discuss other two problems. Previous session ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದೆ. ಸೆಷನ್ 3 ರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಸೆಷನ್ 4 ರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೆಷನ್ 5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ we'll see other two types of problems. The problem number 1, a timber beam of rectangular cross section is simply supported over a span of 6 meter carrying a UDL of 2 kilonewton per meter over entire span. Calculate the width and depth of the beam of the stress is not to exceed 8 Newton per mm square, that is 8 Newton per mm square. Take ratio of depth to width as 2. So immediately list the given data. The timber beam of rectangular cross section simply supported over a span. So this is like simply supported beam with UDL, and the length, the span is 6 meter, that is 6000 mm. The load is 2 kilonewton per meter, and bending stress is given FB is equal to 8 Newton per mm square, and the depth to width, that is d by b is equal to 2. The ratio of d by b is also given. D by b is equal to 2. Now the d is equal to 2b. The depth is twice the breadth. So write the bending equation. M by a is equal to fb by y is equal to e by r. So e and r is not given, so ignore. Now now next z, we know the formula. BD square by 6. B is nothing but b is not given, we are going to find out the b. Now d, we know the d is nothing but 2b, 2 times the breadth, so 2b square divided by 6. Now the z is equal to 0.67 b cube. Keep z in form of b. Then we know simply supported beam UDL, the m is equal to moment is equal to w l square by 8. W is given, load 2 into L 6 meter span, 6 square by 8, that is equal to 9 kilonewton meter. So that convert that into mm, because the breadth and depth will be given in mm. So you can also find out in meter, no issue, but finally you convert that into mm. So the thing is, one mm haki innondu meter hakidre you will get wrong answer. So you convert all forms into mm or meter, anything is okay. Finally you keep it in mm. So now the moment m is equal to 9 into 10 power 6 Newton mm. So we know m is equal to fp into z, because m by I is equal to fp by y. So send I into right side. Now it will become m is equal to fp into z. I by y is nothing but z. So m is already calculated, 9 into 10 power 6. So fb is given 8 Newton per mm square, and z we calculated and kept in the form of b. So that is 0.67 into b cube. Now calculate the b. B is equal to cube root of whatever the inside. Now finally the b is equal to 118.86 mm, and depth and breadth to depth ratio is given. So now depth is equal to 2 into breadth. So that is 2 into 118.86, that is equal to 237.72 mm. So the final answer of breadth and depth is equal to, the b is equal to 118.86 and depth d is equal to 237.72 mm. So next, another problem. Find the dimensions of the timber joist span 6 meter to carry a brick wall of 225 mm, 3 meter high. The weight of the brick is 20 kilonewton per meter cube, and the maximum permissible stress is limited to 8 Newton per mm square. Full stop. The depth of joist is to be twice the breadth. So immediately list the given data. The L is given 6 meter. Width of wall is given here 225 mm. So 0.225 meter divided by 1000. Now height is given 3 meter. The specific weight is equal to 20 kilonewton per meter cube. The FB is given 8 Newton per mm square bending stress. The depth is equal to 2 into breadth. The condition is given. So see here, the load is not given here. So but width of wall is given, height is given, the specific weight is also given. We have a formula: load is equal to volume of wall into specific weight. A wallದು volume ಮತ್ತೆ specific weight ಎರಡು multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we get the load of entire wall. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ವಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ volume we already know, area into height. So 6 length is there and width is 0.225. So because I converted all terms into meter, so because specific weight is given in meter cube, kilonewton per meter cube, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರನೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೀಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮು 6 into 0.225 into 3 meter height, 0.225 meter width, then 6 meter length, into specific weight is 20 kilonewton per meter cube. So finally the load is kilonewton. The entire wall ಅಲ್ಲಿ 81 kilonewton ಅಷ್ಟು ಲೋಡ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಪರ್ ಮೀಟರ್, ಒಂದು ಮೀಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೋಡ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೋಡು ಆ ವಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ದ UDL ಲೋಡ್ ಪರ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 81 divided by 6 meter. 6 meter span is given. So now the load will become 13.5 kilonewton per meter. 1 meter ವಾಲ್ಗೆ 13.5 kilonewton ಲೋಡು ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. But our intention is to find out the dimensions, means breadth and depth of the timber joist. Now write immediately the formula bending equation: m by I is equal to fp by y is equal to e by r. Young's modulus and curvature, radius of curvature is not given, so ignore that. So now we know that is wall with load, entire wall load act ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. Assume that as simply supported beam with UDL. Now the simply supported with UDL, the formula moment M is equal to WL square by 8. W we know 13.5, L we know divided by 8, that is equal to 60.75 kilonewton meter. So that convert into mm because dimensions are in mm. So we know the formula Z is equal to BD square by 6. So keep Z in the form of B. Now 0.67 into B cube. Now we know the formula M is equal to FB into Z. So substitute all the values into M is equal to FB into Z. Now B is equal to cube root of whatever the values. Finally breadth B is equal to 224.63 mm and depth is, so here I have entered wrong values. So 2 into 224.63, you get around 447 around. The depth is 447 something you will get. The final answer is the B is a 224.63 and depth D is equal to 440 something you get. So these are the reference, these are the learning websites you can go through. Thank you all for this session. So next session we are going to discuss few more problems. Thank you all.